චන්ඩි පැන්ඩා සමට සූදු බවට ඇමරිකාවෙන් සහතිකලත් එකම විෂබීජනාශක සබන්.
13 petitions were filed at the Supreme Court on the 12th of this month against the dissolution of Parliament, claiming that President Maithripala Sirisena's declaration is unconstitutional. Petitioners requested an interim order nullifying President Sirisena's Gazette notification pertaining to the dissolution of Parliament. However, a group including Minister Udaya Gammanpila, Professor G.L. Piris, Attorney-at-Law Premanath Sidolavatta and Dr. Channa Jayasumana submitted intervening petitions at the Supreme Court, claiming that the declaration by the head of state is in fact constitutional. Following 2 days of examination, the 3-member judge bench, which included the Chief Justice, issued an interim order which temporarily suspended the President's Gazette notification until 7th of December. Intervening petitioners meanwhile requested a judge bench which consisted of 5 members or more. It is in this backdrop that Chief Justice Nalin Pereira today appointed a 7-member judge bench to hear the petitions. They will be heard from 4th of December onwards by the bench, which includes Chief Justice Nalin Pereira and Justices Buanika Alubihare, Sisira Diabru, Priyantha Jayawardena, Prasanna Jayawardena, Vijit Malalgoda as well as Murdu Fernando. In the meantime, a petition seeking the nullification of former President Mahinda Rajapaksa's portfolio as Prime Minister, arguing that he holds the position illegitimately, was heard today by a judge bench which consisted of President of the Court of Appeal Preeti Padman Surasena and Justice Aruna Obesekara. The petition was submitted by a group of 122 parliamentarians, which included MPs representing the UNP, TNA, JVP and the Sri Lanka Muslim Congress. The Court of Appeal ruled to hear the petition on the 30th of November and on the 3rd of December. 49 persons, including Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa, are named as respondents.
We request a writ of quo warranto because a no-confidence motion has been passed and we have the right to question as to how the Prime Minister and a cabinet of ministers continue to remain in power. It's very clear that all 122 parliamentarians are challenging the Prime Minister and the cabinet of ministers.
Cabinet Mandalaya අභියෝගයට ලක් කරනවායි කියන එක.
Quo warranto කියන writ ආඥාව අපි ගන්නේ.
A writ of quo warranto is usually requested in an instance when a certain person is appointed by a vote and to find out the legitimacy behind it. The court will now have to consider whether it is legal to issue a writ of quo warranto with regards to an incident which occurred in Parliament.
මූලික විසඳන්ට වෙයි මෙය ගත්තු වෙලාව.